Hi. In this video, I will show you how to connect WeForms to Selzy using BitFlows. BitFlows is an advanced automation plugin for WordPress. It helps you create complex workflows and integrate various apps seamlessly. I have already installed the BitFlows plugin on our site. In this tutorial, I will explain how to create a new contact in Selzy using WeForms. I will use WeForms as a trigger node to send a message for contact creation in Selzy. Step 1. Create a new flow. First, navigate to the Flows page. If you have not created any flow yet, click on the Create Flow button. Enter a name for your flow, and then click on the Create button. Once you have successfully created a new flow, it will be displayed like this. Step 2. Add WeForms as a trigger. Next, let's add WeForms as a trigger in our workflow. To do this, click on the plus icon. A pop-up will appear. From there, search and select WeForms, Form Submission as the trigger. Now, choose the form you would like to use from the drop-down menu. After that, click the Listen Response button. Then I will submit a test response from WeForms. Once the form submission is completed, the response will appear like this. The data will now be available in the next flow step as a variable to map. Finally, close the Trigger tab. We have successfully added a WeForms trigger to our flow. Step 3. Add an action. Now, I will add Selzy as an action in the workflow. Click the plus icon again, then search and select Selzy Create Contact as the action from the pop-up. Next, select a Selzy connection from the drop-down menu. If you don't have any existing connection or want to create a new one, simply click the Add Connection button. Here, write a name for your connection. Then you will need to provide an API key to establish a connection with Selzy. To get your API key, visit the Selzy API Key console. Now, copy the API key, then go back to the BitFlows builder and paste it into the value field. Then click the Connect button. Your Selzy node is now successfully connected to BitFlows. Next, select a list from the drop-down menu that you have already created in your Selzy account. You can also add tags from the drop-down options if needed. Now, I will map the fields from the WeForms response to the Selzy fields. You also have the option to override the existing contact information with responses if needed. Enabling the double opt-in feature allows the admin to obtain users' permission before subscribing them to marketing emails via Selzy, ensuring both compliance and user consent. Step 4. Run a final test. Now click on the Test Flow Once button to run a test. Then submit a form to trigger a response from WeForms. Once your form is successfully submitted, return to the BitFlows builder and click on the Logs button to view the details. In the Logs section, you can verify that your form submission response has been successfully captured and recorded in Selzy. Step 5. Verify the contact in Selzy. Finally, go to your Selzy dashboard and click on Contacts. Here, you will see that a new contact has been successfully added to your Selzy account. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.